I don't know, like when you just be yourself and work with what you got, that's the best kind of content. That's real. Hi guys, how are you today? My name is Bailey Searian, and if you don't know, I do a little series called Murder, Mystery, and Makeup over on my YouTube channel, where I sit down on Mondays, talk about true crime, and I do my makeup at the same time. Oh no. So back in 2013, I decided to start my YouTube channel, and over on Instagram, I would get asked all the time to upload YouTube tutorials on how I did my makeup because I love to look caked up and I loved my makeup. I hopped on over to YouTube. I was hesitant, I won't lie, I was nervous, and I sat on my bedroom floor. I had a little lamp in front of me. I took off the lampshade, set up my iPhone, and I just tried my best. Hi, so this is my first video. I'm sorry it took so long. Oh my God. Okay, wait. So this is when I was going through, oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing. Okay, this is making me cringe. So I was so nervous. I was so nervous. I went on this little like rant about people not leaving hate comments because I didn't want to see it. I knew it was gonna come. Whatever you have to say that's negative, I don't care. I like how I do my makeup and I don't care, okay? People are always asking how I deal with rude comments or mean comments, and there's no like magic answer. There really isn't. But what I've learned is best for me is once a video goes live, I usually spend the first hour responding to like as many people as I can and engage with my community, because I feel like the people who are there first are like my loyal, I hate calling them fans, my loyal subscribers, my loyal friends. Like they are here, they are ready. And then after that, I can't look back. Just gonna kind of press it right onto my cheekbone. I was just a baby. I was just like, I didn't know what I was doing. I was so insecure. I was so lost in life. I was living with my mom. We're in my bedroom. I'm on the floor, you know? Look at me. I've got cords. I need to vacuum. I need to clean a little bit. It's so cute. I've come such a long way. I think I forgot till right now. We're sharing this moment. It's precious. This was good. It was my first video, so give me a break if it sucked, okay? I'll make another one. I think it's clear and safe to say that my quality has gotten a lot better, okay? Also, I'm more confident and comfortable being in front of the camera. Before, ooh, I hated it. I hated it, and I hated it. I hated it. But now I feel better. I mean, this is who I am, so. And the one thing like I was surprised about with YouTube, the sense of community. I love engaging with my subscribers. It's really, I think deep down, that's why I started YouTube. I've always liked a sense of community. I like being a part of a group. I like that. I think that's maybe human nature. I don't know. My community loves makeup and they love true crime, and those are my two favorite things in life. So I love my community. Back in 2018, I was heavily following the Chris Watts case. I would stay up all night researching everything about this case, watching every interview, reading every article. I was just kind of obsessed. I'm gonna try and just sit down, talk about this case, tell everyone all of this built up knowledge I had, and then do my makeup to kind of keep myself busy and see how it goes. I don't even know how to approach this without sounding insensitive at all. Like many of you out there, I too am obsessed with crime and murder. This is the very first murder mystery makeup I uploaded. Okay, first of all, I just noticed it has over 6 million views. Okay, that's wild. That's wild. I was so nervous because I was not sure how this was going to be received. I'm talking about true crime, some tragic things happening while doing my makeup. But I just wanted to talk, okay? I had some things to say. He was always there for the kids. She texted Shanann. Nicole knew that Shanann hadn't been feeling well. People will always point the finger and say, you're guilty. So I did this video. I spent so long researching for it. I got the 2,000 page discovery and I read the whole thing. I took all these notes and I was like, I'm doing it. I'm gonna make a video. So when this video went live, again, I was very nervous. And When I went back to check on it, it had been about 24 hours after it went live, and I think the video had about 60,000 views, around there, and that to me was like mind-blowing. I was like, holy crap, 60,000 views? Are you serious? Right? And I was like, I think I'm onto something here, you guys. I think I'm onto something. And this is when I was getting really excited because I think I was onto something. Okay, kitty cats, we have a long story today, and a lot of the times it's really difficult to find information about a case. So Jeffrey Dahmer, highly requested. I was putting it off. I didn't really want to do the story, not because I don't find it interesting, because it is, but I just felt like it had been talked about so much at this point, right? So I kept putting it off, and then finally I was like, okay, fine, I'll do it just to make everyone happy, and it's the highest performing one, so maybe I should just do what everyone is asking, I don't know. And then in May of 1978, Jeff graduated from high school. This green glitter situation is my favorite, and it's so easy. It's just liner and like glitter, and it looks so good. I don't know why Jeffrey Dahmer got green glitter, but he did, and honestly, I love it. It's not funny, but it's uncomfortable, and that's why I'm laughing. So everyone's always asking me, what's next, Bailey? What's next? What's next? What's next? What's next? And honestly, I don't know. I am riding the wave right now, okay? Like, do you know what you're doing next year? Okay, do you know? You know? You don't know. You don't know. Don't lie. So that's what's next. I don't know. I like a surprise.